Hello guys, what's up? This is Gautam and today I'm gonna teach you how you can run your name in Morse code. So here we got the code. So firstly we're gonna start with the basic and then we're gonna be like adding the things inside it. So here we got the basic code. So what this code is doing is this code just turning on and off the light. So it's basically blinking the LED. So here let's have a look. So here firstly I declare the variables that I'm gonna be using for this code. So I got LED1 equals to DO and LED2 equals to D7 and they are both are of int type. What it means, int is equal to integer, it's an integer type. So DO and D7, DO and D7 are the pins that are in the photon particle. So these here we got the variables. So LED1, LED2 are the variables that we got, okay? And at the bottom, at the down, when we come at the downside, we got setup and loop. Now you might be thinking like, what's setup and loop? So the basic difference between setup and loop is setup is just run once. However, loop is clear from the name. It's gonna run the code in a loop again and again and again. So firstly, we're gonna have a look at the loop section and then we'll come back to setup. So in the loop section, what I have done is I have run digital write line LED1 high, digital write line LED2 high. So what this code is doing is it's sending the signal of high to DO and D7. So and here I put the delay of 1 second. It's like 1000 millisecond, which is equal to 1 second. So what's this code gonna do is it's sending the signal of high to LED1 and LED2, which is equal to DO and D7. And at the bottom of the side, I have done the low signal to LED1 and LED2. So what this code is doing is, so it's turning on the light that's high and then turning off the light that's low. So, and it's gonna run in the loop again and again and again. So it's gonna send the signal of high, wait for 1 second, send the signal of low, wait for 1 second, high, wait, low, wait, high, again and again in a loop. So in this way, so when this signal gonna send to the LED, what's the LED gonna do? It's gonna turn on for 1 second, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. In this way, it's gonna blink it. So here we got the setup. So in the setup, I told you that it's gonna just run once. So here I have put the pin mode LED1 output, pin mode LED2 output. So whatever they're gonna be on LED1 and LED2, like either it's gonna be the signal of high or low, it's gonna output that signal. That's it. So that's the basic one. Nothing much. It's just gonna blink the LED. So as we move on, we got the Morse code. So in this, so what this code is doing is basically this code is printing my name to LED in a Morse code. So my name is Gautam. So what this code is doing, it's printing, it's like sending the signal to LED to blink like in a Morse code to print Gautam. So here, like I got the same variables. So here I got the integer type LED1 is equal to D6. Here I'm using D6. You can either use DO or D6, doesn't matter. And here I am using LED2 equal to D7 as initially I explained you, and we got setup and loop. And here the thing that need to notice is for the line part, like in the Morse code we got line and we got dot. So for the line part I'm using a delay for 3 seconds, and for the dot I'm using a delay for 1 second. So like my name is Gautam, for G they got like 2 lines and 1 dot. So in this code you can see like I got high, it's gonna like delay for 3 seconds, the LED, then it's gonna turn on and then again delay for 3 seconds and then it's gonna turn off. That's a low signal for 1 second. So this represents G, that's the first letter of my name. And as usual, same for the other parts like G and then A and then U, T, A, M, as so on. You can check out the Morse code, otherwise I can show you, no worries. Here we go. I'm just gonna type the Morse code, and here you can see the representation of the Morse code. What's the Morse code is. So G, as I told you, for G it's like 2 lines and 1 dot. So that's the same thing that's my code is doing. You can pick up the letter from here, like what's the name of your letter, and then you can just put it in the Morse code and you can blink your name in the LED. So here you guys are clear with the loop, and now I'm gonna move with the setup. So here I got the setup. For setup I have done like pin mode LED1 output, pin mode LED2 output. So what this code is doing is it's just outputting the signal whatever is on LED1 and LED2. So in this way it's gonna blink my name in a Morse code in LED. So in the next video I'm gonna show you how you can how you're gonna assemble the parts, which pin gonna go where, everything. So see you in the next video. See ya.